people who know about DevOps or people who are starting their career building process in DevOps or any cloud technology, they might have heard about this platform called Docker. In this video, I'm going to explain you about what is Docker, why companies use this platform Docker, and what kind of jobs are available for people who are expertise or people who have learned this platform Docker, what will be their salaries in the IT industries, both freshers also and experienced candidates also, and which kind of companies hire Docker engineers, what are the different things that you should learn about this platform or this career. Everything I'm going to explain you in this video. Watch this video till the end. First, disclaimer. In this video, I'm giving you an overview of Docker. I will not say that the same thing happens in every company, because company to company the processes, the task differs. First of all, let us understand what exactly is a Docker. Docker is a platform or a set of tools that helps a developer to automate the implementation process and management of applications with the help of a self-sufficient container. Now, lot of people might have this question, what are containers? Now, containers are lightweight, standalone and executable packages which has everything, that contains everything that is required to run a software, including the runtime, including the code, the system tools, libraries, settings, etc. So in other words, Docker helps to contain or create and deploy these kind of containers which helps to develop, again test and deploy different applications across various environments. So that is why Docker is used by most of the IT companies or software development companies, because Docker is helping them to solve many challenges, right? The testing process becomes easier, the application deployment process becomes much easier. So it also cut cost, or it also saves lot of time and efforts. That is the reason most of the IT companies, they prefer or they use Docker in their SDLC process. Now, you can also say that a Docker engineer or a Docker professional, they work on the containerization technologies. Now, what are the different tasks or different work that a Docker engineer or a Docker professional usually does in their company? Again, it depends from company to company and the project they are working, which stage the project is into. But most of the time, the Docker developer or a Docker engineer, they works on containerization, Docker file creation, Docker image management, Docker commands. They will be working on Docker compose, container orchestration, continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI and CD, microservices, container security, troubleshooting, optimization, and also they will be working on documentation. So these are few tasks that I have explained you. If you want to know more about these tasks, I have also created a blog from my website career9.com. So you can find the same information in a text format in my career9.com blog also. I have mentioned the link of that blog in the description of this video. Now, what are the designations that are given to people who have knowledge about Docker or who got trained in Docker, got a job in Docker? Now, depending from company to company, their designations may vary, and what are the additional skills this person has acquired, it also depends on that. But if a company who is specifically asking for Docker expertise, if the work is also only on Docker platform, then their designation might be Docker developer, containerization specialist, infrastructure engineer, container orchestration engineer. Not only Docker, but if you also have learned some additional skills like Kubernetes or any other tools, or along with DevOps you have learned about this Docker platform, then your designation might be DevOps engineer, container engineer, cloud engineer, DevSecOps engineer, and these kind of designations will be assigned or given to you by the company. Now, to become a Docker engineer, what are the skills that are required? I'll read out all the skills that are required to become a professional on this platform. First thing is, definitely you have to understand Docker fundamentals, then Docker file creation, container management, Docker Compose, container orchestration, continuous integration and continuous deployment, microservices architecture, container security, troubleshooting, optimization, scripting, and also programming. When I tell about programming or any scripting language like Bash or Python, and programming languages, I would say go for Kubernetes also. If you are learning along with Docker, then these skills will definitely help you to grab a very good package in the IT industry. Not only technical skills, but I would also say soft skills like problem solving skills, communication, and also teamwork. Good communication skill is required in any job, any category or any type of IT job. Communication skills also plays a very important role to crack that interview or getting into a good job. Now, what kind of companies hire Docker professionals or people who are trained in Docker? All these multinationals, I would say, Amazon is there, Microsoft, Google, IBM, Facebook, Apple, Cisco, VMware, Dell, HP. There are many big organizations or multinational companies that hire Docker professionals. Now, people might be thinking, only with Docker knowledge can I sustain in IT industry, or if I learn Docker, can I get a job in any good company? Then I would say, along with Docker, if you learn additional tools or platforms, for example, if you learn Kubernetes, that will be an added advantage. If you learn any cloud technology like AWS or Azure or GCP, Google Cloud Platform, that will be an added advantage. If you learn Ansible, Puppet, Chef, any other tool also, that will be definitely an added advantage. So with multiple platforms on multiple skills, it will be easy for you to crack that job or to get into any IT company. Now, what is the salary packages that are offered to a person who has learned Docker or these kind of platforms? If a fresher is getting job from campus placement, they can expect a salary between 3 lakhs per annum package to around 5 lakhs or 6 lakhs per annum package also. But if a person who has genuine 2 years of experience, they can expect a salary between 6 lakhs per annum package to 15 lakhs per annum package. It also depends on what kind of skills they have acquired, the experienced candidates, what kind of skills they have acquired, and which company they have worked, which company they are getting the new offer from, and which city they are staying in India, which company, what is the location of the job. It also depends on all these criterias. Now, if you learn Docker, is there any certifications that you should do or that will help you to grab that job, to get that job? Yes, there are many certifications available. I will read out the certifications for you. First one is Docker Certified Associate. In short, we call it as DCA. Then we have Certified Kubernetes Administrator, CKA. AWS Certified DevOps Engineer. All these certifications are not only particular for the Docker platform, but I would read out for all the secondary skills also that are required to crack that IT job. So the next certification is AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Red Hat Certified Engineer, Google Cloud Professional DevOps Engineer, Microsoft Certified Azure DevOps Engineer Expert, Certified Kubernetes Application Developer, CKAD, Linux Foundation Certified System Administrator, Certified OpenStack Administrator, Certified Jenkins Engineer. These are the certification you should definitely plan for. All the list of these certifications I have also mentioned in my career9.com blog. You can check the same thing from that blog also. Link is in the description of this video. Lot of people ask, where can we learn Docker, the platform which helps in containers creation and management and deployment of all these containers? Where can they learn this platform for free? If you want to learn, definitely Docker documentation. The website itself has a very good documentation thing. You can check from their website also. There is also Docker Labs. You can check that also for free or free resources. Docker YouTube channel is also available there. Docker blog, Docker has a very good, very big community and forum where if you have any questions, you can go and post your questions, and there will be many people who will be there to help you in the Docker community. edX website is there, Coursera, Udemy, GitHub, and definitely our YouTube and Google is definitely there. So there are many free platforms where you can learn this skill, Docker. And I would say people who are planning to start their DevOps career, they should definitely think about getting expertise or getting very in-depth knowledge about this platform that is called Docker. And yes, if you learn this Docker platform or this skill, it is going to help you in long run also, because most of the IT companies or software companies, they use this platform, they use this software, and yes, it is going to stay in the market for a very long time. It is definitely better for you to, if you learn and expertise in this tool. That was all about Docker. I think I have given you some good knowledge about Docker. If you feel my efforts are worth and it will definitely help many people, then please click the like button. If you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Sushmita Madhu and this is my English channel. If you're watching this video for the first time, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell icon. I create videos on job and career every day, so please check my videos. And thank you very much. All the best for you and namaste.